Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on ACER Chromebook 315. To take a quick screenshot of the full screen, you're gonna have to press the combination of Ctrl and Show Windows key. The Show Windows key looks like a rectangle with two lines next to it. It's located in the top row of your keyboard. And once you press this combination of keys, the screenshot will be taken. You can quickly delete it by clicking delete option or edit it with edit option. To edit your screenshot, you have a bunch of quick edit tools at the top bar of your screen, of your window, and you can also quickly rename your screenshot by entering a new name into this field. If you want to save your edited screenshot, tap three dot icon in the top right corner of the window and select Save As, and then select the directory, the screenshot name and the format of your screenshot, and click Save to save it. However, your screenshot is already saved in your File Explorer in the Downloads folder. Here it is. Now, if you want to take a partial screenshot or a Windows screenshot, you're gonna have to use the Ctrl Shift and Show Windows combination instead. Then you can take a partial screenshot by using this crosshair to select an area of the screen that you want to take a screenshot of, and then what you have to do is select Capture in the middle, and this way you will take a partial screenshot of your screen. Alternatively, you can take a screenshot of the window with the same key combination as previously. You just have to select the window icon right here, and then select the window you want to take a screenshot of. And a screenshot of this window will be taken. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.